Does TikTok Shop take Apple Pay? Yes, TikTok Shop does take Apple Pay in supported regions, allowing users to make quick, secure payments directly through their iPhone, iPad, or other Apple devices. When shopping on TikTok, customers using iOS can select Apple Pay at checkout, making the process seamless without the need to enter card details manually. This creates a smooth, fast, and highly secure payment experience. Apple Pay uses encrypted technology and device-level authentication like Face ID or Touch ID to ensure every transaction is safe. This means users can complete their TikTok Shop purchases with just a tap, while keeping their payment data protected. The integration also helps reduce checkout time, encouraging more impulse purchases and improving conversion rates for sellers. Many TikTok Shop sellers benefit from offering Apple Pay because it increases customer trust and convenience. It's particularly popular among younger audiences who prefer mobile-based payment solutions. As TikTok Shop continues to expand globally, Apple Pay is becoming a key payment method that enhances the overall shopping experience for both buyers and sellers. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to research, launch, and grow your TikTok Shop business with fast, secure payment options like Apple Pay. Like a pro,